Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and tonight we're going to be making a fettuccine Alfredo. So what we've got going on here now, we have a large pot of salted water boiling, and we've already put our fettuccine noodles in to cook, and they'll cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. So we've got that underway. We have our pan heating on about medium-high heat, and the first thing we want to do is actually melt just a knob of butter here. This is what we're going to cook our garlic and lemon zest that we already have prepared. We're going to melt this down, and this is going to be the base for our Alfredo sauce. And this is a low-cal version, so it's not going to be full of all the heavy cream and things that you're used to. Make a much healthier version here. Let's melt this down. I've got this on medium heat. Alright, start cooking our garlic and our lemon zest, just until the garlic is kind of translucent. Okay. Stir that around. And this will really only take about 1 to 2 minutes for the garlic to get where we need it to. You can already smell the lemon zest. We've also got the lemon that we zested to add a little bit of lemon juice to it, just for flavor. We're going to add in now, we've got a little bit of flour. Sprinkle a little bit of this in. And this is going to help to thicken our Alfredo sauce. You want to whisk this in. What we're making here is what the French like to call a roux. It's just like the base for any gravy or sauce. Okay, now we're going to add our milk. This is a cup of milk. We're going to whisk this really good to whisk the flour in. If you need to, you can always add a little bit more flour back to this if it doesn't tighten up on itself. Let this cook for just a couple of minutes. Sprinkle in a little bit more flour. Okay, turn your heat down. Make sure you're getting the sides of your pan as well. I'm going to take just a little bit of my pasta water. If it gets a little too thick, you can do that. Whisk that in there. Alright, the sauce is looking good, so at this point we're going to season it with a little salt, just a little bit of pepper. We're going to start to add in our shredded Parmesan cheese. Whisk that in. Okay, so while that goes for a second, you let your cheese melt. Give our pasta a check. Looking good, so we're going to drain our pasta. Add one more quick splash of our water. You can go ahead and lower the heat just about all the way down here at the end. We're going to add in our fresh chopped herbs. Save a little bit so you can sprinkle over on your plate to make it look pretty. Give this a squeeze of lemon juice. We're going to melt our cream cheese now. Make it nice and velvety and smooth. Whisk that in and let the residual heat that's left in your pan kind of melt this cream cheese. When your sauce will be finished, you can add your noodles. And one secret that you can do, if you're filling up to it at home, is you can partially cook your noodles about 3/4 of the way and then actually finish them in a sauce like this. That's how the Italians would do it, but we're doing it the American way. But that is something you can try at home. Alright, so now we're going to add our noodles in at the last minute. Toss all this together and serve. Alright, we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.